Tired of a slow PC, random crashes, and background junk eating up your performance? Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing, underrated Windows tool called Rayune X. It's completely free, open source, and it gives you insane control over your system without any of the shady boost apps you've seen before. Stick around, because I'll walk you through how to optimize, debloat, and even repair Windows, all from one clean, powerful dashboard. Section 1. What is Rayune X? Rayune X is like a secret weapon for PC users. Think of it as the smarter, cleaner cousin of tools like WinToys or Debloater, but open source and packed with deeper system-level features. It's fast, actively updated, and it actually works, no snake oil. To get started, download the Rayune X from the description. After that, extract and install it. Now open, you'll land on a beautiful, simple dashboard with real-time stats for your CPU, RAM, disk, and network. Now let's unlock the real power of this tool. Section 2, the Optimize tab. This is where the magic begins. The Optimize tab lets you make smart system tweaks in just a few clicks. Here are a few that instantly boost performance. Disable background apps, kill off bloat that slows your RAM and CPU. Disable remote assistance, more security, fewer background services. Enable right-click extras, adds copy to and move to in context menus. Shorten task timeouts, make Windows respond faster. For power users, the advanced optimizations let you disable unneeded services to free up resources. Enhance GPU priority, perfect for gamers and editors. Tune system profiles for better multitasking. Pro tip, don't just click everything. Hover over each setting, the tool explains it clearly. Section 3, the Repair tab. System feeling unstable? Crashing or freezing randomly? Go to the Repair tab. It gives you one-click access to powerful built-in tools that are usually buried in the command prompt. DISM repairs Windows image corruption. SFC fixes missing or broken system files. CHKDSK checks your hard drive for errors. Battery report and RAM diagnostics find out if hardware is behind your problems. These tools alone can save you hours of Googling and frustration. Section 4, Debloat tab. Windows comes bloated out of the box. You don't need Candy Crush, Cortana, or Xbox Game Bar eating your memory. The Debloat tab lets you bulk remove junk apps safely. Select what you don't want, like Teams, Weather, Widgets, or Solitaire, and click Remove. No restarts needed in most cases. Clean system equals faster system. Section 5, Privacy tab. Windows collects a lot of your data, but Rayune X gives you a central privacy dashboard to shut it all down. Disable telemetry and tracking. Turn off biometric data collection. Block location services. Clear your advertising ID and search history. Plus, it even stops third-party apps like Chrome, Edge, and NVIDIA from sending background data. Want more control over your digital life? Start here. Section 6, Features, UI tweaks, and UX fixes. Now let's customize your system. Want the old-school right-click menu? Check. Hate the game bar? Disable it. Want to remove widgets, Copilot AI, or Edge Discover? All just one click. No registry edits. No digging through menus. Rayune X puts it all in one place. Section 7, Networking tweaks. Rayune X can even improve your internet speed and stability. Under the Networking tab, you can switch your DNS to faster and more private ones like Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 for low ping, Google DNS 8.8.8.8 for wide compatibility, Quad 9 or OpenDNS for security and parental controls. It's quick, safe, and can reduce DNS lookup delays. Section 8, Security and Device Info. Lastly, Rayune X gives you a snapshot of your system, from CPU info and uptime to quick toggles for Windows security settings. Not flashy, but super useful when troubleshooting or sharing specs. So if you're serious about Windows performance, Rayune X is one of the best free tools you can use today. It's clean, powerful, and trusted by pros, and now, by you too. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more no BS Windows optimization guides, and drop a comment if you need help. I reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.